So under the assumption of risk, would getting in your own car be considered an assumption of risk?
Getting in a car and driving it, it carries with it certain risks, just like crossing the street does, or doing anything that you do in a common everyday process. But you never assume the risk of somebody else's negligence. So if somebody crashes into you, certainly getting into a crash is a risk, but it's not a risk that is self-created. And because it's the negligence of somebody else, it's not something that's voluntary. You don't want somebody else to be negligent. And it's certainly not knowing, because you don't know when it's going to happen. You don't know where it's going to happen. And you don't know who else is driving on the road. So that doesn't really satisfy the two elements. And you can never really assume the risk of somebody else's negligence.